Water everywhere, but are you filming this?
What happened there, Chris?
There's a little.
I thought you had a foolproof, watertight system.
Teething problems.
So, there was some grunting, and then he disappeared into the cupboard. The people have to know the struggle is real.
You can have a look at them.
So we've got some, oh, okay. So he's got the pipe that I just shoved down to the outside is now going up through this hole. That's very nice. And I guess these valves will go somewhere. Although they're already attached to somewhere. This white thing. So I guess the pipe will attach onto one of these valves. Maybe this guy, because he's a bit fancier. Not sure. We'll see.
Right, so the water system is finally in, so we'll quickly show you it, and then I'll put links in the descriptions because I found it hard to find all the parts in the UK. So we've got this canister here, and we've managed to screw in a brass hose pipe connection, and then just clamped it on with a bit of 2 bolts and some silicone, so it's nice and watertight. Then we put a vent pipe, so it drains freely, so you don't get that glug 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 noise. And then we've got a tap in case we accidentally fill this full. We can't disconnect it without water going everywhere, so we can just let a little bit of water out if that happens. So we pop this in here using a quick connect. We just slot that on like that. And then we have 2 options of where we want our water to go using this aqua pond pipe valve, white valve. So we can turn it to drain into our contained tank, or we can turn it to drop out into the street.
Through it.
See that pipe at the back, so we will open this one and show you this drainage. So that's now draining into there.
Draining.
Whereas if we're somewhere where we can just dump to the street, we just close that off, open that, and that should go to the bottom.
I don't know if you can see it, but that pipe at the back.
And all these parts I've pretty much found either on Amazon or B&Q. So yeah, job's a good one.